Good afternoon to Madam Jamie. Today I would like to present my presentation on the 6 month of internship. My name is Aviana Elisius and I'm a student of Diploma in Hotel Management. As for my introduction, my internship was started on 30 September 2019 until 31st March 2020. The place of my internship was at Greenwich Hotel and Resort, Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. This hotel was located at the Surya Sabah Shopping Mall. Supervisor name or the person in charge on leading me during my internship according to the department. First, the Department of Food and Beverage. My supervisor is Zura Binti Lakib at the Rosia Cafe outlet, Wilvera Winan at the Sky Blue Bar outlet, and I also assist on doing work at the banquet area. And the person in charge is the banquet manager, Hasid bin John Mustafa. Next is housekeeping department. Housekeeping department have 3 supervisors, which is Febronia Asisidula, Vivian Atam, and also Isaac Johannes. Last department that I take internship is Human Resource Department. My supervisor is Shazlin Natasha binti Muhammad Suhaili, and the HR executive also assists me on doing my internship, which is Esther Rosie Jamiti. Here is the company background. Greenwich Hotel was established in 2014 and officially opened in 18 May 2015. This hotel was named after the Asiderea grandis, an endemic orchid that found on Mount Kinabalu. It's also 15 minutes drive from Kota Kinabalu International Airport and next to the Hypers Mall in town. This hotel also offers 188 rooms, which comprise 118 superior rooms, 52 deluxe rooms, and 18 upscale suites. It also have 3 food and beverage outlets, which is the all-day dining Rosia Cafe, the piano lounge, and also the Sky Blue Bar. It also have 2 function rooms and a boardroom. As you know, this hotel is a non-smoking hotel. So here is my internship experience. My internship experience was according to the department that were given to me to do my internship, whereby I was at Food and Beverage Department for 2 months, 1 month at Housekeeping Department, and 3 months at Human Resource Department. In my slide, you can see 3 pictures. First picture is the Rosia Cafe, second picture is the piano lounge, and the third picture is the Sky Blue Bar. So I will explain about the internship experience that I gained from the Food and Beverage Department. What is Food and Beverage Department? Food and Beverage Department is responsible for maintaining high quality of food and service, food costing, also managing the restaurant or bar. The first outlet of my internship at Food and Beverage Department is the Rosia Cafe, or for the short form we call it RC. This restaurant or cafe operates from 6 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. and its capacity is 111 pax. This is the all-day dining cafe and serve a la carte menus or specially prepared buffet. Each dish comes freshly prepared using a local procedure to create a fusion modern. The interactive array of lights, colors, music, and aromas combined make a feast for the sense. This is why, during my internship, I can see that most of the guests like to sit at the sea view area of seated, especially during the breakfast. Many guests comes and out to choose their seat during having their meals or lunch or dinner. So, what tasks that I do at the Rosa Cafe? There's some tasks that I do at Rosa Cafe, which is I'll do the clearing, I do the napkin folding, giving the comment card to the guests, taking guest order, serve the guests with warm water and soft roll while waiting their food, turning over from breakfast to lunch, and from lunch to dinner. I also learn on how to cleaning the food station, cleaning the table stand, refilling the toothpick, and also cleaning the glass table in the proper way. What I mean of clearing is, well, we as the student internship were taught to do the work faster, to clear the table from the cutleries that already been used or the plates that already empty, so that other guests can sit on that place. I also learn on doing napkin for envelope and also candle, giving the comment card to the guests, whereby I speak and explain to them what is the uses of this comment card. This is to know what is the guest comment or guest comment of about the food service, about the stay in the hotel, or any comment that referring to the food and beverage department. Taking guest order, I'll take the guest order by writing their order on a small book and repeat the order to know whether the written order is correct or not. Serving them by the warm water and soft roll is been done after taking the order. Next outlet for me to intern at food and beverage department is the Sky Blue Bar. On the short form we call it SPV. This bar will operate from 11 a.m. until 12 midnight, and its capacity is 78 pax. This bar is located at the rooftop, a high point that presents visitors a panoramic view of sea and a cluster of scattered islands, whereby you can see the Pulau Gaya Island. It is also the best kept secret among the locals to relish a different kind of sunset experience. If we go here, you can see the sunset at around 5:30, and most guests come to the rooftop just to see the sunset or having their lunch while seeing the sunset. You can also enjoy drinks and tempting snacks as you soak up the relaxing poolside atmosphere at our rooftop bar, which can be converted to a private dinner or a wedding event. The pool have two sections, which is for the adult and for the children. The task that I do at SBB or Sky Blue Bar is a little bit same with the Rosia Cafe, which is I'll do clearing of the cutleries, prepare the setting for shabu shabu and double check the setup, do napkin folding, taking guest order, give set of cutleries according to what the guest order, picking up food at the level 12, the SBB kitchen, and do the clearing, also closing the pool at 8 p.m. What I mean of cleaning the cutlery here is like I will wipe the cutlery so that it get dry and ready to be set for the shabu-shabu. As you can see in the picture, there's picture of shabu-shabu setup that already been set, that already put a reserve tag. I also learned on how to pick up the food so that the food will not spill. Because if we picking up the food, we will use the stairs to go up. So here is the explanation of piano lounge. Even though I didn't do my intern at the piano lounge outlet, but I know it's just the same like the SBB. Piano lounge operate from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. and its capacity is 40 pax. It's located between the all-day dining cafe and the business center. This is the perfect venue for business discussion or just to sit and relax while surfing the internet. As you can see the second picture, that is the piano lounge, and the first picture is the banquet shop, whereby if there any function, the banquet team will set up them according to what event that will be done at the function room or at the boardroom. Two function room was named as Advena room and also Aspena room. In addition, Hotel Greenwich also have a club lounge at the rooftop. The next department of my internship for 1 month is the housekeeping department. Housekeeping department responsible for the cleanliness of the room, the maintenance, the aesthetic upkeep of rooms, public area and surrounding, whereby housekeeping will be in charge on the cleanliness of the hotels. What is the task that I do? So here is the task for that given to me while I do my internship at the housekeeping department for 1 month. Task that I do is cleaning the room, do bed making, vacuuming, scrubbing the floor, learn how to be the coordinator, count the staff uniform in and out, counting the linen in and out, dividing the linen, the bath towel, the face towel, and hand towel, key in bill, and also cleaning the public area. This housekeeping job also taught during my studies. So the person in charge doesn't explain more about the housekeeping because I already know basic on doing the housekeeping work. As for the scrubbing floor, this is my first time do the scrubbing of the floor of the room, whether using the scrubbing machine or a clean brush. Learn how to be coordinator is my job on this area is picking up call from the front office or from the guests at their room. Example, if the front office calling, sometimes they will ask about the room. Is it already been cleaned or not? So I will call the person in charge on that room, and then later I will inform to the FO again. how the staff uniform in and out is like, if the uniform is already been used by the staff, it will be sent to the laundry to be washed, and the uniform will be counted, how many the uniform of F&B, of the kitchen, FO, and write it down in a book that already been labeled for staff uniform. So for the last department of my internship is the Human Resource Department. Human Resource Department is responsible for the employees of the hotel, such as in hiring, fire, train and maintain employees, and also the employees in relation to each others. So, what is the task that I do at Human Resource Department is, so this is my task. This is my task on my internship at Human Resource Department, which is I was given a task to key in the training, do the thumbprint using the thumbprint scanner for the new staff, registering the name of the new staff into the system, doing the casual labor, and this casual labor is mostly from the part-time of housekeeping department. I also do the miscellaneous task, which is photocopy, filing, printing, and laminating. I also assist in event whereby I was given task to be the MC for the birthday bash celebration at the Advena room. I also been taught on how to register staff for the ICT class. I also do the recycle, whereby I will go to LG and collect the some amount of the recycle that been bought by the buyer. I also been given task to search the guest feedback along their stay on our hotel and search the new feedback and put it on the notice board. I also been given task to do the payroll closing, which is payroll is the closing of all OT overtime, whether the shift allowance, split shift or overtime shift, the normal overtime, public holiday overtime, or the off-day overtime. I also been taught on how to do the medical claim. On doing medical claim, the staff should have the medical certificate so that we can print their medical claim before the payroll closing. As for my conclusion, this internship was a useful experience whereby I have gained new knowledge and improving my skills, also improving my communication skill with the guests or with the staff, whereby I can be brave to speak with the guests to explain about things that they want to know. If the things that they want to know is I cannot answer, I will call the manager to help me. Next is, I was grateful and glad to meet with new people from various culture and religion, and thanks to them because always leading the internship student to do their work. I also had strengthened my ability on working under pressure and also doing the multitask. Doing my internship at the French Hotel is a good opportunity to expand your knowledge on about the hotel management. So that's all from me. Thank you for listening.